Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hey, 100 racks on right now, little bitch. Shut your mouth and drink my kid. You look might drink my pig. Wake up, go hit a lick, can't miss. Hold up, I don't want.
Beauty supply stores are closed right now because of the quarantine. We had to go to Walgreens for the hair products. Perfect. So guys, I came on a good week. It's buy two, get the third free for all natural hair care products. Alright guys, it's time to mix and match. I'm going to be choosing today Shea Moisture. I'm going to get the shampoo, the conditioner, and also the leave-in. So guys, I also recommend you to use the Miel collection, the Thank God I'm Natural, and also the Cream of Nature. Alright guys, my mom is about to get ready to wash my hair. Stay tuned.
It's all good, but you guys will be able to hear my voice, but you won't be able to like see me because
Because what?
Number one, I'm a teacher, so I don't want to be on camera right now, unless I look appropriate. And number two, yeah, I just right now it's all about Mono and his hair. And you guys, this hair, oh my God, it has definitely grown. I remember when he was first growing it out, so he is definitely getting to a me. Right, Mono?
Hopefully. If y'all think I got a lot of hair, you just don't know how much she got.
So, if you ever wanted to see my hair though, Mono will tell you where to find me.
Link is going to be in the description. It's
Hey.Machine.
Alright,
so before we do anything, I'm just gonna go over the products that I'm gonna use in his hair, and then we'll do like a whole Q&A and stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys some essential products that I like to use. And his hair is kind of like my hair, just like really spongy. So I believe his hair is like a 4B, 4A. If you were ever like trying to consider what type of hair he had or curl type that he had. Not that curl types matter, but some essential products that I think that every natural should use, whether you're a guy or girl, is this is warm water inside of an infinity spray bottle. So when you spray it, what happens is that when you press the lever, it continues to spray. So I really like that. The product that I think is super important is just having an oil. It can be any oil of your choice. Right now we're gonna use grapeseed oil because I really like grapeseed oil for just like a little bit of dry hair. And although Mono said that he put leave-in inside of his hair, I don't know how much leave-in product he put in. So we're gonna definitely put this inside of his hair. And then I have my favorite I use in my hair. It's a little dusty right now. So this is the Miel, and it is the leave-in conditioner. Although he has a little bit already in there, I'm gonna put this and layer it with a cream. So that is all that we're going to be using. And of course, while I'm styling, I'll be using gel and mousse. And they're both like natural products, and I'm gonna use a little bit so there's not flaking or anything inside of his scalp. So that is it, and these are my favorite combs. So this one is pretty good, and it is from the beauty supply store. So yeah, all right. Did I say everything?
Let's get right into it.
All right, perfect.
So guys, while she's parting my hair, we're gonna get into some Q&A questions about my natural hair. So,
what inspired you to go natural?
What inspired me to go natural was, first and foremost, my sister. My sister, she really motivated me to go natural because a couple years back, she shaved all of her hair. And if she let me use a picture, I'm going to show you guys. She shaved all of her hair, then it out. Within a couple years, like her hair is just everywhere. And that really like just amazed me, and it motivated me to. And also looking at my god sister's hair, I'm like, wow, it's so cool.
He would always, it's so cool
Every
nowadays.
single time.
Every time.
Every time I see her.
So, would you ever go back to a buzz cut?
I don't think so.
No?
I feel like probably eventually later on in life, but now, nah. I love my natural hair.
So, I guess this one is more like, you know, but do you feel like as an African American man, like what is the definition of hair to you? Like, do you feel like it's like, oh, okay, like, yeah, like I rock my hair, like, do you feel like there's judgment that's passed across when you rock your natural hair?
I feel like I'm representing my culture.
Yes, amen.
Like, I'm really representing my roots. This wearing this hair is a symbol, like, to me. Like, when the judgments, like, I get a lot of compliments about my hair, and I really appreciate it. And just coming to you guys today, and I'm able to give you guys my viewpoint, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. Like, I really love rocking my hair, and it's just deeper than just rocking hair, to be honest.
I love this answer. Okay, good. My next question, how do you wear your hair? Okay, so how do you wear your hair most often? Like to school and when you go out? Like, what's your favorite style to put into your hair?
My favorite style to put into my hair are some box braids, of course. Like, just like 6 braids right here, 6 braids right there. I love to wear my hair out as well, but I'm from Miami. It's pretty humid. So sometimes like a twist out can only last for like 2-3 days. And then you gotta get it rebraided again. I also like 2-strand twists. And I also like to use my signature, the SideShow.
Which we're going to do today, you guys. So my next question is, since you're a guy and you always go like playing basketball and stuff, so do you have to wash your hair daily? How often do you have to wash your hair to keep up with, like, you know, the hygiene and stuff?
Alright, so guys, do not wash your hair every single day. At least wash your hair, give or take, 3 times a month. Because you don't want to strip your natural oils. How often do you wash your hair?
I wash my hair. I'm a salad, so.
You funny, dog. You funny.
So honestly, I don't know if I want to go on camera to answer that question, because in all actuality, I wash my hair like maybe once a month.
Once a month?
Yeah. My hair loves, like, my scalp, and my hair grows like when it's dirty. I don't know why. Some people, it don't work out that way, but like, you know, since we was little, I think my scalp was trained, like, because we would put box braids for like 2 months and then take it out. So my hair has always been just the type to flourish more when it's like in a protective style. So yeah, it's.
So guys, she's going to teach me and you guys how to twist her way, her technique. And now, it's all done, guys. Thank you, Miss Jean.
You're welcome.
Want to get a little close up?
Yes. So this is Muno's hair. Obviously, like I told you guys, we did not use any like styling cream because I wanted it to be soft and not, you know, look crunchy. So yeah.
SideShow.
So he'll show you the ending result. This is just step what? 3 out of 5, because you gotta go get the lineup, and then you're gonna twist it out, right?
Yep.
So step 3 out of 5 is
complete. You guys, stay tuned.
Yeah, we're playing yourself going, you know?
Exactly. Stay clean. Stay healthy.
Yeah, that's how we do it, you know? So we take care of Corona. She don't come around here no more.
Of course.
Is that SideShowBoB?
SideShowBoB, come on, kid. You like it.
Look at this kid.
Make sure you guys comment down. What hairstyle should I try next? What hairstyle video do you want next? Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. More content on the way. Busy chasing going up. Stay tuned.